Let's see what happens when we take the same normal cell. It has 30% particles or solute and 70% water or fluid or solution. Okay? And again, we're going to put it into a beaker. And that beaker has the exact same amount of particles, 30% particles or solute and 70% fluid or solution. Okay, so like always, we see which one has more fluid. Well, in this case, both of them have the exact same amount of fluid. So will any of the fluid be flowing downhill? It's an interesting question. Will the fluid flow from one thing into the other thing? Will it flow from the cell into the beaker or the beaker into the cell? Because the amount of fluid is equal. That's why it's called isotonic, iso meaning equal. Well, what happens is, if you place this plant cell into this beaker, because it is isotonic, absolutely nothing happens. The fluid flows nowhere. And that is because the fluid levels are equal both inside the cell and outside the cell. And that's what happens in an isotonic situation.